Hello everyone. Some people may be having doubt that I have explained already about this. Have you seen this image before? Yes, you have seen this image in the ranging rod. This is offset rod, but this offset rod look like the ranging rod. But what is the difference between the offset rod and a ranging rod? In case of ranging rod, a flag is provided, but in case of offset rod, a hook is provided. So we can learn about offset rod. What is offset rod? A offset rod is just similar to ranging rod. It is having a length of 3 meters. So what is the length of this offset rod? It is 3 meters. They are round wooden rod, shod with point iron shoe at one end and provided with a notch or hook at the other. So, what is the offset rod? This offset rod is made up of a wooden rod. This is a wooden rod. In case of offset rod also, we are having a pointed iron shoe at the bottom, and at the top of the offset rod a hook or a notch is provided. This is known as hook or notch. This is known as iron shoe. The hook facilitates pulling and pushing the chain through hedges and other obstructions. So what is the purpose of this hook? Why is the hook is provided? The purpose of this hook is to pull and push the chain in difficult terrains. Means whenever we want to do the surveying in mountainous areas or in case of forest, sometimes this ranging rod should be passed through the forest. In such cases, this hook is very useful. It is used for pulling and pushing the chain in case of the difficult terrain. The rod is mainly used for measuring rough offsets nearby. It is used for measuring rough offsets. It is used for measuring the rough offsets. It has also two narrow slots passing through center of section and set at right angle to each other at the eye level for aligning the offset rod. What is the offset rod? This offset rod also consists of two narrow slots. It passes to the center of section and these are kept at right angles to each other. This is used for aligning the offset. So this is about offset rod. What is offset rod? The offset rod is just similar to ranging rod and having a length of 3 meters. They are round wooden rod, shod with a point iron shoe at the one end and provided with a notch or hook at the other. The hook facilitates pushing and pulling the chain through hedges and other obstructions. This rod is mainly used for measuring rough offset nearby. It also has two narrow slots passing to the center of section and set at right angles to one another at the eye level for aligning the offsets. This is also provided with the same band of color as the ranging rod. It may be black and red band of colors or it may be white band of colors. So this is about offset rod. Next is what is butt rod? What is butt rod? A butt rod is also used for measuring the offsets, but it is often used by building surveyors or architects. This butt rod also has the same purpose as of the offset rod, but this butt rod is mainly used by building surveyors and architects. It is used by building surveyors and architects. Okay. It generally consists of two laths, each of 1 yard or 1 meter in length, loosely riveted together. What is the butt rod? This butt rod usually consists of two laths are provided in butt rod. The laths are usually 1 yard or it can be measured in 1 meter. Okay. The joint is also provided with a spring catch to keep the rod extended. In this butt rod, we are also providing a spring. What is the purpose of spring in the butt rod? It is used for extending the rod. Whenever we want to extend the rod, we are pulling this spring. The rod is painted black. The butt rod is in black color. The division of feet and inches are marked out with white and red paint. This butt rod In butt rod, what are the divisions provided? The butt rods are divided into feet and inches. So these are marked with which color? The feet and inches are marked with white and red color. So this is about the butt rod. Once again I am explaining what is butt rod. A butt rod is also used for measuring offsets, but it is often used by building surveyors or architects. It generally consists of two laths, each of 1 yard or 1 meter in length, loosely riveted together. The joint is also provided with a spring catch to keep the rod extended. The rod is painted black in color. The division of feet and inches are marked out with white and red pen. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you everyone.